Hello, it's my birthday this week. Yes, I'm growing older but also wiser, and I want to celebrate with you. I don't normally give discounts for my products, but if you are interested and want to get online self-study materials for the clinicals, I got you covered. I have a couple of courses. One is the complete summaries, which include notes that I did when I took about 8 months off work and family pretty much to study and prepare for the clinical. I have been expanding those notes. They have short audios, great links, a compilation of exam recalls and study notes, plus all the recordings of the group sessions that I have been doing for a year. This is more than 100 hours of audio, role-playing, common case scenarios, plus feedback and topic discussion. My results are very affordable, and I could be probably charging much, but I want to make it affordable to accessible to many people. So I'm giving 25% discount for all my summaries this weekend until Sunday only. And there's also a small package that I did earlier or late last year, 2022 recalls and practical lectures. Great information, tip, concise notes about the topics and the main cases that usually come in the exam, plus my practical considerations and suggestions. This is 30% off, so visit my website or send me a message and use the discount. Take care and see you soon. Bye.